In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove personal details from Stripe invoice receipt. First, visit Stripe's website. Once you arrive, look toward the top right corner of the page and click Sign In. After selecting Sign In, enter the login credentials associated with your Stripe account. If two-factor authentication is enabled, complete that process and continue to your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll through the available options until you find Settings. Then click on it to open the Settings menu. Within the Settings section, locate Product Settings. If necessary, scroll through the available options until you find it. Once you see Product Settings, click on it to continue. Next, select Billing. This will take you to the area where invoice and receipt settings are managed. Within the Billing section, click on Invoices. After opening the Invoices page, look for the Business Information section. Once you find Business Information, click on Business Settings. This will open the details currently associated with your invoices and receipts. In the Business Settings area, locate the fields that contain your personal details. Clear the fields where this information is listed. After removing the information from those fields, save your changes before leaving the page. This ensures that the updates are applied to your account settings. Take a moment to review the information shown in the Business Settings section. Any details that remain in these fields will continue to appear on invoices and receipts. If there is additional information you want removed, clear those fields as well. Once you've confirmed that the information has been removed and your changes have been saved, the update is complete. Your Stripe invoices and receipts will now reflect the changes made in the Business Settings section. If you need to make adjustments in the future, return to the same area by opening Settings, selecting Product Settings, choosing Billing, opening Invoices, and then accessing Business Settings to review or update the information displayed on your invoices and receipts. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully updated the information that appears on your Stripe invoice and receipt documents. Thank you for watching.